on my face. Hi, Bubs.
I'm gonna take the batteries out.
What?
I'm gonna take the batteries out.
Okay.
No. If it works on my head.
Those are good batteries, aren't they? Sound good, Bobby.
Yeah, I have one battery.
Bubby, it's not a toy for you. Go pet him. Go pet Bubs.
Okay, here you go.
What do you
You
say?
get it to move though.
What do you say, Olivia?
Wait a minute. I gotta put this inside. I'll get right back.
What do you say?
Missed the part.
Bobby, it's not even your toy.
Huh? Oh yeah, it's supposed to work.
I remember playing with it when I first got him, but just for Mary. Hi, Mary. Oh, there goes Bubby. Oh, you're my favorite. Come here, Bobby. Bobby, come here. Bobby. Say hi. Bubs. Hi.
Here you go.
What do you... That's a good girl.
Probably you can't eat it.
Let's see.
But.
You want to see it?